Hi, I'm Stefan Dieffenbacher. I'm a global thought leader in digital strategy, innovation, transformation. I've led some of the biggest exercises globally on the topic, and I've led as well the first global hackathon of Microsoft and OpenAI to bring artificial intelligence into organizations globally. I'm coming to Egypt for the very first time, and we're going to run an exciting workshop for executives and aspiring leaders on the topic of artificial intelligence. So we are going to cover AI for strategy, what it's good for, what it's not good for, where to apply it in your organization. We're going to discuss where to play based on your capabilities, your competencies, and most importantly, perhaps, what your customers really want. We're going to deep dive on the concept of value and the concept of jobs. So what are the important customer needs your customers are having? Then it gets more and more applied from there, identifying use cases jointly in working groups that are relevant to your organization and building a portfolio on them. We're going to conclude by putting those portfolios and use cases onto a high-level roadmap. So this day, you will go from strategy to action and inspired by thought leadership. And I very much look forward to having you on there.